Showers can get dirty. In this video, we're going to remove the old caulk and replace it with new caulk. You could try to clean a job like this with bleach or baking soda and stuff like that, but it'll start to mold again. So I'm trying to go for more of a permanent fix here, and I'm removing all my caulk and putting it on and showing you step by step how you could do it. This is my shower after a lot of clean. Those are actually holes. You can actually let's get a close up. Those are holes. I could get the rest of that out. I'm just finishing cleaning here. You can see some mold right there. That's mold. So I need to pull that off still. But you can see I've already started to pull everything off the wall. I gotta do a little more scraping, and then we're gonna wipe it down with alcohol. You can see where I scrubbed there versus there. A couple of things on the tools. So I did want to go over some things that if you ever get a shower, the old person bar is awesome for shaving your legs, just holding on, and when you get older, you will want it. The other thing, my house did not come with a drain here, so I got the mushroom. It's called the mushroom. It's the best thing I've ever invested in. It catches everything, and it doesn't protrude at all. So the job, shot back to pick up any excess. We got the caulk there, I'll show you that in a second. Scraping tools. So this was all one kit. You get all these attachments and this. I have to say that this piece right here, you'd think it was awesome, right? It comes with different, like a rounded tip, a pointed tip. But to be honest with you, like this sucks. What actually is good is the scraper on here. When you push it forward, this scraper works really well. And then this scraper works really well, just dragging straight down or pushing up. This works really well as well, the hook piece to get in those nooks and crannies. And then these little plastic scrapers are great because it doesn't actually mess up the metal. While these do work really well, you could scratch metal and plastic if you do it too hard. As far as brushes, these are amazing little brushes for your screwdrivers, for your impact or regular screwdriver. Electric, lithium ion is preferred. Try not to overheat them. And then some brushes and things. I then cleaned it with some bleach, and then we're gonna tape it off, and then we're actually going to do some alcohol first. You should actually rub some alcohol on it to finish that as well. Some rubbing alcohol. I'll just use what I have on hand. So I went ahead and finished scraping, rubbed it down with alcohol, made sure it was really dry, and then started taping both sides of every joint I plan on caulking. That was a lot of tape. We basically taped little channels in all the areas where we plan on caulking. All on the basin there, up the sides. I know it seems like a lot, but basically we're just gonna caulk in the middle here. I know this is actually like some grout or something that somebody left behind, but I'm just gonna caulk over that because I got the majority off. So I'm just gonna take the tip off, and then I'm gonna start the bead. As you apply pressure on the bead, just get a nice, good, even flow. I'm gonna then wet my finger and then just kind of glide over it. First thing I'm gonna do is just cut off the tip of the caulk here. All right, so we cut off the tip. So this one, you also have to pierce inside. There's an inner foil you need to pierce, so go ahead and stick like an ice pick in there and pierce it. If you can, you want to try to keep an even flow and just keep a nice steady stream. Try not to pick it up. Try to keep it just going all the way till the end. So I finished this one. I just wiped my finger along the edge, and what I'll do now is just rip off the tape. The little pro tip here is try to like rip it kind of at an angle, like up. Don't go like across, go up. That's a good way to do it. There's our bundle of tape. So here it is all done. See nice smooth lines, straight down. See a little bit of staining there, but looks really good, especially from before. So that's how you caulk a bathroom. I'll put links to everything I use in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.